I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting an AI voice engine that matches tone and budget. Pick Neural TTS for natural prosody. Once chosen, prepare short script blocks of 60 to 90 seconds so the model handles phrasing well, and mark emphasis or pauses. Next, record a 10 to 30 second reference sample if the system supports voice cloning. This improves match and emotion. Make sure your mic chain is clean and static-free, and save files as WAV or high bitrate MP3 before moving on. Once you have your reference and script, fine-tune prosody settings like pitch, speed, and breath control to match intent. Start slightly slower for clarity and speed up where energy is needed. Use SSML or the platform's editor to insert pauses, emphasize words, and fix tricky pronunciations with phonetic hints. Generate several draft takes, exporting each with consistent levels. Then listen critically. Compare A and B versions to pick the best voice and timing, refining parameters until pacing and emotion feel authentic. For final delivery, import the chosen take into your DAW and mix with music and effects. Apply gentle EQ, remove rumble and duck music by about 6 to 12 dB under voice so clarity remains. Export masters at 48K HZ WAV, 24-bit for high-quality masters, and create MP3 at 192 to 320 kbps for web. If you hear sibilants, robotic artifacts, or timing mismatches, go back and tweak SSML, adjust prosody, or generate a new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.